Bay windows are more than just a beautiful architectural feature, they can transform the look, feel, and functionality of a home. For homeowners in Sterling Heights, bay windows offer a practical way to add space, increase natural light, and boost property value. Whether you are renovating an older home or upgrading your current space, installing a bay window can make a noticeable difference in comfort and curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of a bay window is the added interior space it creates. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the wall, bay windows extend outward from the exterior of the home. This projection forms a small alcove inside the room, which can be used in several practical ways. Many homeowners turn this area into a cozy reading nook, a comfortable seating area, or a decorative display space for plants and family photos. Even a few extra square feet can make a room feel significantly larger and more functional. Natural light is another major advantage of bay windows. Because they typically consist of 3 windows set at angles, they allow sunlight to enter from multiple directions throughout the day. This increased brightness can make living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms feel more open and inviting. During Michigan's darker winter months, additional daylight can help create a warmer and more pleasant indoor environment. With the right window design and energy-efficient glass, homeowners can enjoy beautiful sunlight without sacrificing comfort. Bay windows also provide improved views of the outdoors. Since they extend beyond the home's walls, they offer a wider viewing angle compared to traditional windows. In many Sterling Heights neighborhoods, this means better views of landscaped yards, gardens, or quiet streets. The expanded perspective helps connect indoor spaces with the outdoor surroundings, which many homeowners find both relaxing and visually appealing. From a design perspective, bay windows can dramatically enhance a home's interior style. The unique shape naturally becomes a focal point in any room. With the addition of custom cushions, built-in seating, or decorative trim, the bay window area can be tailored to match both traditional and modern home styles. Some homeowners choose elegant curtains or Roman shades, while others prefer a minimalist look that lets the window's architecture stand out on its own. The exterior benefits are just as important. Bay windows add dimension and character to the outside of a house, giving it a more distinctive appearance. Instead of a flat wall with standard windows, the home gains architectural depth that can make it stand out in the neighborhood. For homeowners considering resale in the future, this type of visual upgrade can increase curb appeal and attract more potential buyers. In addition to aesthetics, bay windows can also contribute to a home's overall value. Buyers often view upgraded windows as a desirable feature because they improve both appearance and functionality. The extra space, better lighting, and improved views can make a home feel more luxurious and comfortable. When potential buyers walk into a room with a bright, spacious bay window, it often leaves a lasting impression. Energy efficiency is another factor that homeowners often consider. Modern bay windows are typically designed with insulated frames and advanced glass technology that helps maintain indoor temperatures. Proper installation ensures the window is sealed tightly, preventing drafts and helping reduce energy loss. This can contribute to lower heating and cooling costs while keeping the home comfortable year-round. For Sterling Heights homeowners looking to enhance both style and function, bay windows offer an excellent solution. They add usable space, invite in natural light, and elevate the overall design of a home. At the same time, they can improve curb appeal and increase property value, making them a smart investment for the future. With their combination of beauty, practicality, and long-term benefits, bay windows remain one of the most popular upgrades for homeowners who want to make their homes brighter, more spacious, and more appealing.